welcome back to my channel. Today I have an eye makeup tutorial for you guys. This lovely little brown look right here. I decided, since I had a bunch of palettes that I purchased recently from Hush, I will leave a link somewhere around here if you have no idea what I'm talking about. I purchased a bunch of palettes from Hush that were only about $10. And I decided, since, you know, some of you guys might be interested in purchasing these palettes and wonder how universal they are, and if you can actually really make a all-over eye look just with using one, instead of purchasing like 5 of them. So this entire eye look was actually done with the Sugar palette by Facecandy. I have been loving this palette lately. I've actually been taking it with me about everywhere. The shimmers in here are amazing, very pigmented. They're really nice to add as an accent or even overall lid look. For this look right now, I used a lot of the dark chocolate mattes on my lid, and then I used the shimmers and the underline to add just a little bit of pop. Yeah, because the nice thing about this palette is that it does have a large range. So it does have a lot of the darker purples and dark colors, a couple of actually greens, a ton of brown pigments, even like a reddish brown, and mattes, and also with the shimmers, and then neutrals. That way you can actually do a whole eye look just with this one. This has honestly been like one of my favorites so far. Well, enough of me talking. So if you'd like to know how I did this eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. Well, that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope that you liked my little eye makeup tutorial. Also, good luck to all of the students who I know have already started school or are going to be starting school very shortly. As always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like me, then please subscribe. Thank you.